shit. 187 entry boys. Entry boys. Yeah.
Oh, we just told this nigga too. We just told this nigga.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Pop your shit. Pop your shit.
Yeah.
You got foreign whips, foreign valet car. You know I'm a dog.
Help my leg.
That shit don't like to go left. I mean, it don't like to go right.
That shit was fun.
This nigga put this shit up.
What's up, man? You know what we got going down? Got a little Beamer on the lift, man. This is what we finna get into. A little motor swap, nothing too crazy. All you really gotta do is like take out ECU, take out manifold, take out all this, and unplug with the radiator and all that, and then we'll be right to it. You know what I'm saying? Shit. For a little pic. Nah, I was just playing with you. Just got this loaded from Tuners. Say what's up.
That went nowhere.
This one's going white. I used up all of them. Let me go on.
Ball still there. Ball still there. Still there. One more time, still there.
He missed it. I'm trying to go eat.
Ooh, still there. Oh, somewhere over there.
What you doing? What you doing? Do your dance, Gray. Do your dance. Sit. Sit. Sit, Gray. Gray, sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Yes, man.
You sound like with Jerry. Yeah, y'all better stop staring. You go cold.
We ain't got no money for you, but your shit hard. Got money. Just got this loaded from Tuners. Say what's up. That bitch sound decent though. That bitch would sound too good if. Know what I mean? Wait, don't you have the back end for it?
Alright, we're gonna bring in this G8. Let's go, dog. Let's see what you got. Here we go. A young nigga, man.